Tired of yo-yo dieting? Let's dive into some mind hacks for lasting weight loss. First up, visualize your success. Picture yourself at your goal weight, feeling confident and healthy. This creates a powerful mental image that motivates you to keep going. Next, practice mindful eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger signals. This helps you avoid overeating and truly enjoy your food. Don't forget positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am capable, I am achieving my goals. These positive statements rewire your brain for success. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of aiming to lose 50 pounds, focus on losing 5. Celebrate each milestone to keep your motivation high. Finally, surround yourself with support. Join a community or find a buddy with similar goals. Encouragement and accountability make a huge difference. Remember, lasting weight loss starts with a healthy mind. You've got this. Ready to put these mind hacks into action? Let's get started today. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website, richardtomante.com, and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Thank you for watching.